Hello, friends! Welcome to Veggie Slice Adventure. Today we are going to learn colors with fun, magical vegetables. Are you ready? Let's slice and splash! It's an orange carrot. Ready, set, swish! Wow! Orange! Can you say orange? Look! A red tomato! Ready, set, swish! Wow! Red! Say red with me. Look! A green cucumber! Ready, set, swish! Wow! Green! Great job! A purple eggplant! Ready, set, swish! Purple! Wonderful! It's corn! What color? Yellow! Ready, swish! Yellow sunshine! Potato! What color? Brown! Swish! Brown splash! Look! A white onion! Ready, set, swish! White! Say white with me!
Wow! You did amazing! Now, let's do it one more time. This is our practice round. Are you ready?
Let's go! Let's do it one more time. It's spinach. What color is it? Green. Ready, set, swish. Green spinach. Try again. Zucchini. What color? Swish. Green. Green zucchini. One more time. Beetroot. What color is it? Green. Set, swish. Red. Red beetroot. One more time. Pumpkin. What color is it? Ready, set, swish. Orange. Orange pumpkin.
Wow! You did amazing! It's cabbage! What color?
Purple. Purple cabbage. One more time. Garlic. What color is it? Ready, set, swish. White. White garlic! You did it! You learned colors with vegetables. Carrot, tomato, onion. You are a love veggies! See you in the next adventure.
Bye!